Assalamu alaikum everybody. My name is Hamza Ali, and today I will show you an advanced version of my previous tutorial. And in the previous tutorial we implemented a method channel to call the native code and the value returned from that native code into the Flutter side, and we use that value in Flutter. So today what we are going to do is we are going to send a parameter from Flutter to Android native, and we will use it on the Android native side. So uh, without further ado, uh, let's start. So for sending a parameter in our method channel, uh, you see we have a string parameter and a dynamic arguments parameter. So string is the method name, the string parameter, and the dynamic arguments is a list in which we can send any type of value. So what we are going to do is we are going to uncomment this code, and here we have created a string variable, and we are sending a map variable from the Flutter side in the form of a key value pair. So it will be easy for us to identify the value if there are more than one values on the native side. So we are going to send parameters in the method call, and on the Android native side, I'm going to uncomment this code and I'll tell you what this code is doing. So here we have created a string variable because our value from the Flutter side is of type string, and we will use that same call parameter of our set method handler, and from that parameter we will get arguments. So for matching the methods call, we were using this method variable or this method property of call parameter, and for arguments we are using this arguments property. So we are what we are going to do is we are going to give it the key name that we defined on the Flutter site. So it will get value from that key, and we will use that value as a toast to show when we will hit the button which is calling the native code. So we are going to show that message which is that hello from Flutter in a toast on the native Android side in the Kotlin code. So let's run our code and see what we have got. So we will hit that button, and we have a hello from Android native and hello from Flutter as a toast. Hello from Flutter, the value which we are passing from Flutter to Android native is hello from Flutter, and what we are getting from calling a native method on the Flutter side is hello from Android native. So this is the whole tutorial, and now we will end this tutorial, and uh, this is how method channel usually works, and we send some data from Flutter side and we receive something from the native on the Flutter side. So we can add some more values, and we can match it on the native side, and we call one method depending on the value passed from Flutter. We can choose which method we should call and what should be returned from the native side. So this is how you can use parameters from Flutter to Android native. So if you like it, like my video, subscribe and share, and tell your thoughts about this tutorial in the comments, and I am going to upload this uh, tutorial on GitHub also, and I'll give you a link in the description, and there will also be a description link for my previous tutorial in the descriptions. Thank you.